So hello everyone, welcome to the video. So today I'm recording this video at 4 a.m. Today is Friday, and the reason I'm recording this video very late because today we are going tomorrow. So not today, but tomorrow we are going Karachi, and I was not uploading any vlog this week because we had the plan to go for some, go out of city for some vacation, but it was just getting delayed, and there was, just a lot of problems were coming. So that's why I didn't record any video, and also I was working on the reels thing, and obviously I couldn't make any reel because I was just busy some on some things. But now we are free. Tomorrow we are going Karachi, so I just needed to get those videos done, and maybe surely, but surely I will go Karachi. If I go Karachi tomorrow, I will make the traveling vlog as well, and I guess that vlog would be very good. All right. So right now, as you know from the title, that I started the 3D designing, so we will talk about that as well. And but before that, I obviously need to get done the script. So let's focus on the script. Firstly, we will write the script for tomorrow, and then I will talk about the 3D designing.
These my dollars make it hurt.
So there we go. I'm done with the scripting. I just did the little bit of scripting because it's like 4 a.m. and I'm unable to do the scripting. And please ignore the background. Now I'm sitting on my laptop, and let's talk about this Blender thing. Firstly, let me put my mobile on this tripod. So here, as you can see, I recently started the Blender like 3 days ago, and I made this donut thing, and which is like animated as well. Like let me show you. Like this is kind of something like this, and not only that, I am also working on other things as well. Let me show you. This is like the sugar one. Like these are the sugar candies, and they have the different colors obviously. Right now I cannot render it because my PC is gonna crash, my laptop is gonna crash, sorry. So yeah, what we are gonna do is we are gonna try just to render it. So we will press F12, and let's see if it can render. So yeah, that's a kind of rendering, you can say. It's like the blue candy here and the red candy. Let me turn it off. So here we are again in the donut. So here as you can see, it's like only 3 days. Like I completed this on like yesterday, and now I'm making the video right now. So maybe I will share more of kind of this stuff. So you can follow my Instagram handle. It's the link is in the description. So yeah, that's the thing. So that is for the video. I hope you enjoyed the video. I know that's a very short video today. I was not uploading any video. So yeah, I'm really sorry about that. But tomorrow, if I go to Karachi, I will gonna make a very amazing vlogs. You know. So let's hope it goes amazing. See ya. Bye bye. See you in another one.